Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this simple question under projection of vectors over other vectors. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. We are given two vectors A and B. We are asked to find the angle between the two vectors, and we are also asked to find the projection of A onto B. Let's start with the first one. But these formulas will help us. To find the angle between two vectors, you can always use this formula. Remember, this formula is used to find dot product. The dot product between A and B is equal to what? The magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times cosine of theta. So if you make cosine of theta the subject, you have this. So we need to find the dot product between A and B. So A dot B is always equal to the sum of the product of their corresponding components. X component for A is 3. X component for B is 1. Right? So you have 3 multiplied by 1. Then plus Y component 4 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2. So let's see what we have here. This is 3. This is minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Therefore, the dot product is minus 5. We are done with the dot product. Then what about the magnitude? The magnitude of A is equal to the square root of X component squared, that is 3 squared, plus Y component also squared. This is 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, 9 and 16, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Then we do the same thing for B. One squared plus negative 2 squared. 1 squared plus negative 2 also squared. 1, 4, 5. This is square root of 5. All right. So this implies that cosine of theta, the angle we are looking for, is equal to the dot product, which we have as negative 5, divided by 5 times root 5. 5 times root 5. The 5s will cancel, right? You have negative 1 over root 5. And finally, since you are looking for theta, you take cosine inverse of both sides. So theta is cosine inverse of negative 1 divided by square root of 5. And this is approximately equal to 116.6 degrees. So the angle between these two vectors is 116.6 degrees to the nearest to 1 decimal place. Then what about the B part? We're asked to find the projection of A onto B. You can either use this formula or this. You use this when the angle is given to you, when you know the angle already. But the angle is not special, so our answer might look somehow. So let me use this one. All right. The B part, we asked to find the projection of vector A onto vector B. It is equal to the dot product between the two vectors, which is negative 5, divided by the magnitude of B squared, square root of 5 squared, multiplied by the vector itself, B, which is I minus 2j. As simple as that. I think using this formula is much easier than this when you have the two vectors. So this is equal to, this is going to give us 5, right? Negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. So just use that negative 1 and multiply the vector. This is negative I plus 2j. All right, this is the solution. This is what? The projection of this over this onto this.